morning, guys. Just out here. It is the third day out here in Tracy. It was here Saturday, then Sunday, and now it's Monday. Today's the day of the big parade here in Tracy. I'll definitely get that. That's probably going to be the most interesting thing that's going to happen today. But right now, I'm going to have Dad take me downtown. It's like 7:15, maybe almost 7:30 right now. It's pretty early, so I'm going to have him throw me down on the fairgrounds there so I can take video of everything when there's not a whole lot of people around. At least there shouldn't be really anyone around. You guys can all look at what the setup is and what they got going on there and all that stuff. So, but we'll go down there and check that out. So we'll see you guys downtown. Ah, yes, the empty fairgrounds. Yeah, it's great coming here this time. For one, I can actually skateboard through here without anyone telling me to jump off my skateboard. And two, we can get a good view at everything without tons of people in the way. Burgers and corn dogs, all your regular old junk food there. There's the hitting post, test your strength, onion rings. There's another just all general purpose junk food thing. Yeah, let's grab the drink. Little balloon pop party. These nice trailers like all these carnies stay in, or I imagine it's these carnies that are staying in them. Bumper cars. Then you can go down this section here as well. This is like the kids ride section here. Here's the Lions. Almost crashed. Much better. Now we got stability. I've never really been down in a fair this early in the morning like this to see it empty, so it's really cool. Actually looking at it all empty. In fact, right over there, beyond all that crap, is where I'll be going in a minute. So yeah, that was really the fairground, guys. Like I said, it's just a small fair. It's no bigger than Pine County's fair or any of those ones. So Dad used to bring me here all the time as a kid. Used to love those, what I look forward to most in the year. Especially since it was right before school started. It was like my big last cool thing to do in the summer before school started. Alright guys, I'm gonna go use this outhouse quick. Be right back. The other thing I love, how they close off the big sections of the streets like this. So I can just skate around with free will. It's wonderful. It's glorious. It's glorious. Anyway, so we're here. Yeah, it is the Veterans Memorial Center. I wish I knew how recent that was. Looks like it's pretty recent. Looks like someone's been well, not constantly skating, but skating it every now and then. Because if someone hadn't skated this in quite a while, I feel like the rain and everything else would have washed most of that wax residue away, and even the truck residue, I think, too. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. I'm just trying to sound smart here, guys. Okay, guys, so I waxed up the ledge a little bit, just because it looked like it would need it, and I can already tell that it's gonna slide nice. So I figure I might as well set up, get this little angle here, which I thought was cool. We got the flowers in the shot, and I'll just do a quick 50-50 on it. See if we can, anyway.
and wax the shit out of it. Because why not? Right? People did it before me. Talk about the sketchiest thing ever. Alright guys, so I got it. I don't know, but I got a nice clean slide on there and a really nice clean get off. Anyway, I got off really nice, really clean. Even did a little kick flip there in the end, so I'm pretty happy with that. I think I might move on from here. I don't know. We got the carnival now. We got that. You got to see it before anything was even happening. You guys got the exclusive early morning look. We hit the ledge here, which is what I did want to hit. I especially wanted to come at this time because I knew it would be empty and no one was going to bother me, so we got that. I might move on a little bit. I don't know what else to do. I might even go hit those church stairs again just to feel a little better about myself. Funny thing is, I'm loving my the Sloth board already again. I don't know. I just I'm really comfortable on this board for some reason. It might have to do with the size, because you know the size is preference. It's nothing to do with what you do on the board, but it's all your preference. And I think I just feel a little better on the wider board, as opposed to I was just gonna skate 8 inches because that's what my revive was. I was gonna go straight 8-inch, no higher and no less. But after getting back on this again and just doing my tricks, it's like, I don't know, I really like the way this the wider board's kickflip and everything, and kickflip is my main trick. It's my favorite go-to trick, so we'll just be moving on and we'll catch you guys on the next update. What's up guys? So me and Dad stopped at the gas station here, good old Casey's. I guess we're gonna head out to the airport. Yes, the Tracy does have a little airport, and there's supposed to be a little air show. So I get out there. I figured we'd go out there, get some clips of that. Hopefully, I got some cool planes going. Dad said there's usually some nice cars out there too, so we can get a little bit of the scenery out there. Look at the planes, the cars, and whatnot. See if we can get something cool. But that's where we're heading to. So we'll check it out when we get there, guys. See you in a bit.
See, take a shovel. Take a shovel, cut it in half. Last time it didn't have the Army paint job on it.
Yeah, I like the gun holster.
Look at the pipes. Can. Yeah. That's cool. I wonder what year that is. What is it, a 750 Honda? Oh, no. It's a BMW. This is a Honda 450. See on the cap here? Oh, it doesn't say it on this side, but on this side you can see the Honda's been painted over. Dead on. Yeah. Yeah, this is an old 450, probably from the 70s. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I like the tidy kitty box more than anything.
Let's go look at these cars and then go look at those airplanes. This is an old Ford. I don't know what year, probably about a 54 or something. 42 something.
Look at that old style.
That's a 42 Ford. This is oh, this is, I saw this guy at the gas station. This is a 67 Camaro with a 454 in it. This is an old Barracuda.
Barracuda. This is probably the coolest one here. That Charger's pretty nice too. Dodge.
Actually, it's a Charger. One of the first year Chargers.
I don't know why that's there. Might as well move that, get that out of the line of the beautiful cars here.
Yeah, where it sits. Yeah, it's a basement right behind it. Slide it out.
Pretty cool. Interior in this one's nice. Caddy. Let it be known.
I'm sure most of these cars are going to be in the parade later too, honestly. They usually are. I guarantee this one will be. We'll see it in the parade. SS Chevelle. There's my brother's dream car. Holy.
And I said the one of the concrete parking lot's gonna That looks like Steve Rickman's car. Floor on the floor.
Yeah, Nate would be all over this one.
This is nice.
So would I too, honestly. It's pretty nice.
That's a nice machine.
Look at the little skull he's got for the
Shifter.
for the.
This is a mean machine.
Yep. 1970,
Is he gonna be out here flying?
He said he hadn't flown for quite a while. He says it's too expensive. That's like a little model thing.
Look at that thing. That thing's tiny.
Yeah.
That one's cool too, though. I wouldn't be anywhere near that thing going up.
Looks dangerous.
My God.
I wasn't doing anything.
I can't find Andrew.
Empty weight, only 560 miles an hour, or 560
I've never
pounds.
seen a wood propeller like that.
Cruising speed 60. That is something. Wow.
I like the side thing on it. Yeah, those things don't mess around, that's for sure. Look at that guy. That's that copper one. So guys, that's the airport here, the Tracy Airport. Definitely some cool planes hanging around, some sweet cars and whatnot. Dad's just jawing it up with some old buddies there. That's how it goes, you know. It's his hometown, so he runs into everyone he knows around this time. So we're gonna be taking off from here. I'm not sure on the time. It's probably 10:30, 11 almost. I'm not sure exactly. I haven't looked in a while, but next big thing will be the parade. That's the next thing you guys will be seeing. So look forward to that. All right, see you guys. Po-po.
See, you rubbed it up for me.
Yeah, I noticed.
That's a Hummer.
This Hummer, which we didn't need at all. Tracy bought it. We could fix it. What did it do? Supposed to be able to go wherever it's needed.
In case there's an accident out in the middle of a field or something.
Yeah, those are very prevalent.
Fire equipment. Hello?
You're not noticed. No one cares.
I didn't want this.
Dad always looking to get candy. They didn't want to give him none. That's stealing candy. What'd you get? A Tootsie Roll?
Tootsie Roll.
They got little bumper cars, tight. Throwing out bits of candy, not looking happy about it. I love it. Dad going in for stuff. Great. Got a bit of horses going through. Why not? Horse show.
I've not seen a drone in Tracy Parade.
So that was the parade, guys. Hope you enjoyed the Tracy parade. I didn't film all of it. I mean, they had tons of fire trucks. I mean, just fire truck after fire truck coming through, and then tons of old tractors, a lot of nice cars. Got some good footage anyway. Just a little brief, you know, thing of the parade. It was nice. It was fun. Went there for grandma and everything. But yeah, so that was the vacation here in Tracy for me. Just wanted to come have a visit with Dad, you know, here in Boxcar Days. I don't know how long it's been since I was here again, and so it'd been quite a while. So it was nice to come check out the Boxcar Days, skate around Tracy especially, break a board here in Tracy, you know, all that fun stuff. But me and Dad are gonna be getting ready now, and it's gonna be heading back to the cities, and then tomorrow morning I'll be heading back up north, back to home base, where I can start working on all this stuff again. So that's what we'll be doing here. So hope you guys enjoyed my whole trip here in Tracy. Hopefully I can do more like this in the future, get some more good footage and everything. But I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, of course, all those good things. And so this is the Sloth saying peace out, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.